Good morning, everyone. Tonight, Jonathan and I have a wedding, so I thought I would take you through how I get ready for a special event. I just woke up. I took off a couple pimple patches on my face. Pimple patches are the best thing in the world. I will link them in my Amazon store for you. But just to make sure my skin is as clear as possible, I am going to apply this Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment Mask in just a thin layer, and I am going to whiten my teeth. I do have a blowout appointment for 12:30 today, and I do want to apply self-tanner, so I'm just going to take you with me throughout my day and how I do my makeup for tonight. I apply my masks with a silicone brush. I just think that it's a lot cleaner to do it this way, so I will be applying my Glam Glow mask with this brush. Okay, everyone, so my whitening strips are in, face mask is on, and I have a pretty thick layer of my lip mask because I have like 2 dry patches in there. So annoying, but that's just the season that we're in. I did want to come on here and say that this mask, I can already feel that it's like working. It's super cooling, and I can just kind of feel that everything is pulling up, and it's drying pretty quickly, but I did do a pretty thin layer. So we will see, like, you can already see that it's working at my pores. Look how disgusting this is. So it's been about 15 minutes with the mask. I'm gonna take it off right now. I know my skin is a little red right now because I just took it all off with hot water, but my pores on my nose, wild. Kelly wants to know who I'm talking to. Huh, Mama? Hi. So I'm pretty sure those spots are going to be gone by the time that I need to do my makeup tonight, and my face will chill out a little bit. Want to say hi? Hi, Mama.
Hi, everyone. So I went and got a blowout, looking nice and fresh, and then we've just kind of been hanging out all day. I'm laying down with Callie right now. Say hi, Mama. I'm watching Haunting of Hill House, and it's about an hour and a half before we have to leave, so I'm going to start getting ready.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Okay everyone, this is going to be my look for tonight. I just went and applied my eyelashes off camera. I do want to put on my jewelry with you guys quickly before I go get dressed. So I went and purchased more jewelry from Pavoy. There will be a discount code in my description box for you. So I will be wearing my wedding set obviously, and if you watched my last video when I talked about Pavoy, I had purchased a white gold silver band from them that I wear every single day. But Jonathan got me a gold and silver tone Movado for my birthday, so I wanted to start incorporating more gold jewelry. So I purchased the same ring in the gold version and I just wear them stacked. On my other hand, I purchased this ring, but I will be wearing this one this evening. It's just really dainty and so cute. Because my dress is super simple, I'm gonna kind of go all out with earrings. These are not from Pavoy, but they are from another store on Amazon. I will link them down below for you guys as well. I don't usually wear anything like this on my ears, so this is seriously forcing it for me. My dress does have a super low neckline, but because my earrings are so much, I will not be wearing a necklace. That's gonna be it for basically my close-up details of the look. I'm gonna go steam my dress and get ready.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.